Welcome back to 20 Car. Some legends don't retire, they evolve. The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 concept isn't just a van, it's a rolling fortress of utility, built to conquer highways and job sites alike. With a design that blends industrial muscle with modern aerodynamics, its squared-off stance, LED matrix headlights, and bold black chrome grille make an imposing statement. This is work done in style. Inside, the revolution continues. GMC ditches the old-school dashboard for a fully digital cockpit, complete with a 14-inch touchscreen and AI-assisted logistics management. The seats? Heated, ventilated, and wrapped in industrial-grade leather, ready to endure endless hours on the road. With a flat-load floor and modular cargo space, adaptability is its second nature. Underneath, the 6.6 liters Duramax turbo diesel V8 rumbles with 445 horsepower and 910 pounds-to-foot of torque, ensuring that even the heaviest payloads fuel featherlight. Need an electric alternative? The Savana EV variant boasts 500 kilometers of range with ultra-fast charging. From 0-100 kilometers height in just 6.5 seconds, this beast defies expectations. Rivals? The Ford Transit, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and Ram ProMaster stand in its path. But the Savana 3500 doesn't just compete, it dominates with superior towing, cargo capacity, and rugged dependability. Starting at $48,000, it's an investment in power and longevity. Is your business ready for the next evolution in professional transport? The road is calling, will you answer?